Ooh. Yeah, excuse me, forgive me. Sorry. This is my first video for 2022. Yo, I feel like I don't know how to act. Got new hair. Was not new, I had it in for a couple weeks, but this new hair, got new camera, new attitude. We are back. So sorry, I felt like I had some anyway, right, so we are back and I am gonna be telling you about this hairstyle. Now when I did it, I was in a rush. I didn't film it, but do not fear, my brother has come to the rescue, or more that I have braved him, but he has come to the rescue, and I am gonna demonstrate how I did this hairstyle on his hair. So we're gonna cut this talking and we're gonna get straight into showing how I did it. Alright, so starting out, I am just parting out my brother's hair. Is such a good thing that I put the clips on mute, because I was telling my brother, oh my gosh, you are the worst model. But anyway, so I started out sectioning out his hair, and I am just going to plait that section that I parted out. Ideally, you want your hair to be thoroughly detangled, but he didn't want me to mess up his hair too much, so I didn't detangle it. Again, this is just for demonstration purposes, but you want to make sure that your hair is detangled before. Then going in with the crochet hook, I'm going to insert that into the base of his hair. Remember, when you are braiding, you don't want your braid to be too tight so that the crochet braid can get underneath. So I slid the crochet braid underneath, and watch here what I'm doing now. His actual hair, I'm going to insert that into the crochet hook, pull that through the hole of the crochet braid. I hope that made sense. If it didn't, just rewatch the video. But I am just showing here, and what I really like is that his hair is a completely different color to the braid, so you can actually see what I'm doing kind of clearly. So this is the spring twist hair. I'm just separating it into two. Again, going in with the crochet needle, inserting that into the base of the hair, and then I'm going to insert that spring twist hair into the crochet hook, slide it all the way through, and then it's just a simple case of wrapping the crochet braid and his hair around, well, wrapping the spring twist hair around the crochet hair and his hair. And it is as simple as that. And the thing with this distress look is that you don't even have to be neat, because when there's a little distress, it looks even more realistic. So we're gonna get straight into the specs of this hair. So I believe I have 60 parts in my head, and this is the hair that I use, and I have not seen anybody as yet feature this hair. This is the Butterfly Locs 18-inch, and this is by Jamaican Roots. Is it? Man, these titles, you saw what it is. So this Butterfly Locs 18-inch, this is in the color 1B, and this is the Ghana twist. Now this, it says it is Distress Locs 3X. That was a mouthful, but you saw what it was. So right now the packs are huge, they're big. I actually use 1 2/3, so it comes in like separate packs of 3, I guess, hence the 3X, and each little pack inside has 12 pieces. So right, in all I use 1 2/3, and that was enough for my head, which I consider to be small. But yeah, 2 packs should definitely be more than enough, and I did it as individual lots. And oh shoot, wait, oh, I forgot to show you too. And I used some spring twist here. I used about 1 bundle of that as well. So you would have seen how I did this on my head. I did it as individuals. This hair is very, very, very lightweight, and I've had this in for 3 weeks, and honestly, the longer I've had it in, the more realistic it looks. And yeah, as I said, I love the length. A lot of them that I were finding were like long all the way down to my ankle like Rapunzel, and I did not want that. I didn't want that. But this is an excellent length. So let me show you how far it comes. It actually goes all the way. It is so lightweight. It was so easy to put in, and I just love this. I gotta go back and buy some more here. I got this from my local beauty supply store in Barbados for $35 a pack, and $70 for a hairstyle that's gonna last a couple of months. Because as I said, I've had this in 3 weeks and it still looks good. Is not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. And you could of course do this like regular crochet braids, but I wanted the individual look. Even though I have not been styling it very much, but I want options, okay? A girl want options. So that's why I did it like this, the individual crochet braid look. You know, I always said I'm gonna write down a list when I am about to film these, and I never do. So I hope that I have not forgotten anything. If I have, just shoot me a comment down below and I will be sure to respond. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. If you have, give your girl a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. So I will see you in another video. Bye bye.